Welcome to another episode of Ahtna 101. In this segment, we're going to learn Ahtna animal names. Whenever I've taught Ahtna in the past in my tribe, this is one of the first things that parents especially want to know. What are some of the animal names in our language? So I'm going to start just broadly because there's over 100 different words. I mean, there's 100 different animals that live in the area. And so I'll start with the more popular ones that people like to know. The word for animal in general, just I saw an animal, is konesi. Konesi. That's just a very general word. But what about like black bear? If you see a black bear, there's several different words. I mean, one of them is Nelly. Nelly. Like almost like a girl's name, Nelly. But Nelly. But sometimes it's also just black bear in general. I've seen as just sos. Sos. What about grizzly bear? Grizzly bear is cha-ni. Cha-ni. And if you know anything, our word that basically means that it smells like, well, poo. It smells like poo. Our word for outhouse also has the word cha-nak, which means, well, poop house. People always love that one. Our word for beaver, just a beaver, is cha. Cha. But it's not. See, the other one was cha-ni. Cha is shorter, and that's our word for just beaver. So like a beaver pond would be cha-ben. Ben is the word that we use for a pond, not a river. Rivers end in na, and a creek will end in na. But a lake or a pond will end in ben. So cha-ben, beaver pond. And you could have a beaver house, cha-nak, beaver house. There's also beaver lodge. There's all kinds of words. How about the word for caribou? In our clan, in our culture, there are people who belong to the caribou clan. Because, 100,000 caribou or more sometimes move through our area. So caribou is a very important food source and important in our culture. And that word is UG. And so if you're a member of caribou clan, you are a member of UG-shu. UG-shu. I'm a member of paint clan. That's a very different clan than that. There's about, a dozen or so clans. How about another word, just fox, a general word for fox. Now remember, there's red fox, there's white fox, there's cross fox. But a general name for fox is just nagetsi. Nagetsi. We'll learn more about that later. And then there's moose. Moose is one of our most important food sources of all. And that is denigi. Denigi. And some of our dialects, it's more deniki. But that's just general. There's a word for a bull moose, a female moose, which is deyazi. Deyazi. That's a female moose. Well, that's enough for this week. Stay tuned for the next episode of Ahtna 101, where I'll teach you more animal names.